Alexa, pause the music. Hey guys, what up? It's your girl Ashley here. So today I'm back with another video. I want to talk about a New Year's resolution of mine. They say that you never keep your resolutions, which is partially true, but this year I really desperately need to keep this resolution of mine, which is save money. I'm gonna give you guys 20 tips on how you can save money. I would just say that these are some of the tips that I have been using, and also some that my friends have been telling me that has been useful. So I'm gonna pass it on to you guys, and I hope this video can give you some inspiration on how you can save money. And because you never know, you always want to prepare for those rainy days when you need money and then you don't have it, and then you're like, oh crap, should I watch this video? But yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Stop eating out. This is basically a tip for myself. Basically, I eat out so much because I love food. Make your own stuff. Now, it's very basic, but literally you don't need to go out and buy everything. This is especially true for food. You can literally make your own food and save so much money. I love this Korean dish called tteokbokki. Every time I go out, I spend at least 10 bucks on it. If I just have a craving, I'll be like, oh, I'll spend the money. And then it adds up quickly. Then I went to the Korean grocery store and I bought the necessary supplies, which cost me around 20 bucks. But I made like 5 tteokbokkis already with that, so like, and I still have a lot left. So it's always good to make your own food, and also you kind of learn a new skill. Number 3, ask yourself, do you really need that? Leave on the spot and be like, oh nice, take a picture of it, and then if you really want it after a week, go back and get it. Number 4, very obvious, work. Like literally work your butt off. So my friend Rena told me that she saved $30,000 since the start of freshman year and to the end of senior year, and she used all the money to pay for college. But I was asking her how she managed to save 30K. A huge thing is she worked since freshman year and she put that money in her savings account instead of spending it. So definitely, it's obvious. If you're like 14, 15 and you can't get a job, that's fine. You can just use the other tips. But if you're like 16 and you can get a job, just go out and get one. Looks good for college, enhance your experience, and you make actual cash that you can actually save or use, you know. And I do have 2 jobs. I think YouTube is considered a job for me, so I do this as a part-time thing. And I also am a waitress at a restaurant near me, and my mom wants me to get another job over the summer because I need to save for college because it's so expensive. So yeah, definitely save money. Start now. I actually started making money since sophomore year, but there weren't a lot of money, but still, and I didn't save it at all. I literally spent it all. But yeah, it's bad, but just please save your money. But just don't be like me and start saving your money today. If you start making money since sophomore year, just save it. Number 5, open a separate bank account. If you're unable to do this, it's fine. I have a joint account with my dad. Open another bank account if you can and put money in there that you can't touch. Like I don't know the name of the bank account. It's like a savings account where you can't touch the cash or you get a penalty or something. I've done this way too many times where I transfer money from my savings account to my checking account. Oh, it's so bad. Tears. Stop touching that money. I'm very guilty of doing this, but up until last year, I was pretty good at keeping... Look at the lighting, stop changing. I was pretty good at keeping my money until Christmas hits. And well, Black Friday hit first at the end of November, and then Christmas hits because I need to buy presents for my friends. And then my whole saving money goal, they just kind of fell apart. But up until then, I've been doing something that I'm very proud of, and that is to keep a record of my money. Now, this might sound very dumb and like it's very obvious, but it's really hard to actually keep doing it. But I've been keeping a little notes on my phone, and I keep track of how much money I have. So here's like a little list of the things that I keep track of. For these dates that I doesn't have anything, that means I didn't spend any money, which I'm so proud. I'm just like, yes, look at me. You guys can take this and like alter it to your liking, but I give myself a limit of $25 a week. The reason why I'm doing this is because I know that 25 is a pretty good number because I do need to spend money. Obviously, I'm a senior in high school. There are some things that I need to like socialize, like some events and stuff, and sometimes I just need to buy someone a present or something. So I thought 25 was a good limit. So set a budget for yourself and please make sure that it is at least realistic. I think that 25 is pretty good because I usually spend about that. That leaves me, what's 25 divided by 7? $3.50 a month, a day, which is sufficient. And number 7 is ask for gift cards for birthdays and Christmas or any holidays. So that's what I'm gonna do for my birthday, which is coming up. I'm literally turning 18 at the end of this month. I'm so scared. Like, I'm literally gonna be like facing all these responsibilities and stuff. Well, not really, but kind of. Like, literally all I'm asking is money, and usually people would be like, what? I don't want to give my friend money for her birthday. So just ask for gift cards. It's a lot nicer, and also you can only spend it at one place, so it prevents you from spending it anywhere else. But number 8, so basic, but it works. Sell your old clothes and your stuff. I've been wanting to sell my vinyl, my record player for a while, but I just don't know where I would sell it. I think I can sell it on Depop or something, but I'm actually considering selling my Polaroid as well because I don't need it. And also films cost so much money, so basically like a loophole of money just like sucking my money in because I had to buy films for the camera itself. Record player, I have to buy vinyls to play the music I like when I have Bluetooth, so I'm just like, it's a waste of money. And also sell your old clothes. I do have this local clothing store that buys people's old clothes, but they don't give good money. So number 9, it has to do with something I said earlier, just to make a budget and stick to it. Like, stick to it. Number 10, it's really good to keep a short-term and long-term goal to motivate yourself. This is what I do because I need some motivation and inspiration for me to actually stick to my plans, I guess. So my short-term goal of saving money is to go on a senior trip with my best friend after I graduate, so like June, July, August-ish. So I'm like working towards that, and it's like short term, but I have enough time to actually save the money. And my long-term goal is college, obviously, because when I go to college I need to like pay. My mom said I need to pay some tuition, like she's gonna help me out, but I need to pay some of it. And also my living expenses while living in college is gonna be like greater, so I definitely need to save for that. So these are 2 goals of mine, short-term and long-term, and it helps you motivate yourself. The short-term one really motivates me because it's like traveling, so it's like so I just really want to, and I know I can have a good time if I save the right amount of money. Sorry, I'm disgusting. Okay, number 11, don't be afraid to cancel on friends. I used to hate saying no to my friends whenever they want to hang out, but every time we hang out, I mean, unless we go to their house and just chill there, I have to spend money every time. It's like either going out to eat or thrift shopping or just hanging out in general. Like, everything costs money. You just gotta be solid. Just say no. When they want to hang out, just say, I'm sorry, I can't, I need to save money. And usually they'll understand. It definitely use that. Unless your friends are very sensitive, then like, I guess maybe try another route. If you need to do something, you do it. Okay, you do it. Wow, very motivational. Okay, number 12. I used to do this where I spend so much money on like 10 different pairs of jeans of different style and stuff, when I found one pair of really good quality, big money jeans that I will actually wear for a long time. So I used to be like this, but now I'm leaning toward this. I'm not saying you have to buy designer brand stuff, but honestly, good brands actually have good material. So if you're gonna wear something for a long time, please invest instead of like spending money lavishly on 10 pairs of bad quality jeans. Spend money on one good pair that will actually last you a long time. Number 13, go grocery shopping and shopping with your family. Ever since I got a job, my mom knows I have money, so she's very reluctant to buy me stuff because she's like, you make money, and she knows I do, which is true. I don't want to keep asking her for money. Go grocery shopping with your family. I love to eat. While you're there, they're not gonna say no, pay for your own groceries. At least my mom doesn't do that. And also go shopping with your family. You might think it's a little embarrassing to go shopping with your mom instead of your friends, but she can pay for your stuff, so like, a good tip to save your own money and use your mom's. 14, sign up for free trials. I had signed up for like 10 Google email accounts, and I use it on different stuff. A lot of like companies have free trials, like Amazon Prime, Hulu, Spotify, Apple Music. Apple Music is 3 months free trial. It's really nice, but you have to have an Apple ID. But Netflix, make sure to set a reminder on your calendar to cancel it so you don't have to pay the price. Definitely take advantage of the free trials because it's free. Number 15, do free things. I might make a separate video for this, but you can do a lot of things and have fun without spending a penny. 16, unsubscribe to subscriptions that you don't need. You know, you don't need everything, so like Audible, like you don't really need that. Like, I don't know, it'd be nice if you really like it, but just try to limit yourself to not so many subscriptions. Only get the subscriptions that you really need or love, I guess. Number 17, if you don't have the money, go thrift shopping. But okay, don't go too often, because I love thrift shopping, but I go so much and actually it accumulates, so don't go so often. But I got this shirt while I was thrifting and it was like $4. But go to Salvation Army too, because their things are a little cheaper than Goodwill. But yeah, definitely, like it says Addicted San Francisco, but I think it's really unique. You can actually like find retro pieces, unique pieces that you don't see, or older people clothing that you don't see your classmates have, because a lot of people at school just wear the same thing. Literally, I had this shirt, like Brandy's shirt, and like 10 other girls have it at my school, and I'm just like, wow, I love my style. It's just like, you know, department store stuff, everyone can get it, but Goodwill stuff, you actually like, have to dig, and there's usually one piece. So I think it's a nice treasure hunting experience, and also it's very cheap, very good price. Do your nails at home. My nails are so like chipped right now. They're very bad right now, but I never got my nails done before. Even for prom or homecoming, I never got it done, because I just don't see why you need to spend $20 or $30 on nails that last for 2 weeks. Like, I think it's such a waste of money. So I think it's good to do your nails at home, and you can ask your friends to come over, and that'll be a good time where you don't have to spend money. Even though nail polish, you might have spent money, but like borrow your friend's nail polish. Like, don't be afraid to like borrow things or ask things, like, you know, not like telling you to take advantage of other people, just like, you know, if you can like not spend money, just try not to. Well, I'm so hypocritical while I'm drinking coffee, but still. This is my go-to order at Starbucks. Oh, it's a venti iced coffee with caramel and half. It costs $3.11 for a venti and like $2.95 or something for a grande, which I think the venti is obviously the good option. Number 19, ask for free samples. I do this at Lush all the time. Like, I'm not ashamed to ask for free samples when I make a purchase. Like, if I buy something, I'll be like, hey, can I try this out? And I have like 10, okay, I have like 3 different samples of the Lush soap. Okay, number 20 is the last one. Wait till things go on sale. You can wait, okay? You can maybe add it to like, for like Urban Outfitters, for example, there's like something I really like. I add it to my save for later, and then like I see if it goes on sale. Then I go get it, because I don't want to pay the full price for Urban Outfitters because they're so expensive. Look up coupons when you're online shopping especially. But that is all the tips and hacks I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoy, and please save your money. And I've been doing the same as well, so let me know if this video helped you out or gave you some motivation to save money for the New Year's, because it's really important. And I know it's really hard, especially as a senior in high school. I want to enjoy my senior year, but at the same time I need money for college. So yeah, just save a little money for the rainy days, you know. I think it will be helpful for the future, and it's like a good habit as well. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give me a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and click the bell to get notified every time I upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.